Hey, what's up, Scott? It's Devin again. Thank you so much for speaking to me earlier, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix so you can start bringing in more customers right away. I know you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's very simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all of their time running their business and taking care of their customers, so they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. The only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up calling me back saying, you know what, I like you, Devin. Can you just do all this for me? Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My goal is just to educate. And what I'm going to tell you about today really quickly is content, backlinks, and citations. Now, your website is a great looking website. I love how unique your logo is. You've got this nice gallery right here that shows your team, helps build a lot of trust. Really nice, clean looking website for sure. I really like the look of your site, and from a design point of view, you did a really great job. Google just doesn't really care about how good looking your website is. What they care about is this content right here, what they can read and what your customers can read. So the average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words of content, and that's where you kind of want to be sitting. And it looks like you're a lot less than that. Well, you're probably at like 300, 400. Yeah, 447. Now, your main competitor is Texas AirTech, and you can already see right away there's a lot more content on it, but let's just see where they're sitting. 749. So this is one of the main reasons they are outranking you, but you can really easily beat them by just getting yourself to that 2,000 word mark, okay? So that's tip number 1. And by the way, I know you probably saw this is Wylie. I just picked Wylie. It's 15 minutes down the road, and this one keyword, AC Repair Wylie TX, 350 people search that every single month. So you definitely want to have that on your homepage. By the way, speaking of that, I want to see if you have that on your homepage. AC Repair. You don't even have AC Repair on your homepage. So make sure you put that kind of stuff in your content, like AC Repair Wylie TX, AC Repair Wylie TX, stuff like that. Things that people would type into Google to find you. All right, and there's also free keyword planner tools out there. If you just Google it, you can find that kind of stuff. The second thing I'm going to tell you about is going to be backlinks. Backlinks are when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of other websites vouching for you, but they want to see relevant links, which means they're going to give you a lot more power if you have other HVAC companies linking to you versus if you had like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month. You don't have to use it. There's a bunch of free tools that show you all this stuff. I just pay for this because it consolidates all the data together really easily. It says you guys have been around for a very, very long time. Well, relatively, since at least February 14. And you guys have 39 websites linking to you right now. If you want to go over to Texas AirTech, they actually have a little bit less than you. So again, it shows how important content and keywords are. But what I would recommend you do is you get a little bit better quality links, because as you see right here, this is the power going to your site. It's extremely low compared to theirs. The best way to do this is to copy them. So if these links will rank for them, they'll rank for you too. All you do is you go to each of these different websites that are linking to them, and you either create a profile and like put a link to your homepage in your profile, or you can click the contact us button and you can request they get a link just like they did, or some of them you may have to pay for to get on them. But whatever they did will work for them, so it will work for you too. So that would be my next recommendation for you. My last recommendation is, or my last tip is called citations. A citation is is how you get right here into the Google My Business section. The 2 tips I just gave you with content and backlinks, that's how you end up right here organically. You can also pay for ads to get here, but if you want to get right here, which is the best spot to be, you need to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than your competitors. That's called a citation. And a directory is just a website like Yelp or like Yellow Pages that allows you to list your business's information. So I would figure out what directories Ewing Air Conditioning is in, and I would put myself in the same ones and then a ton more on top. Like if they were in 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in 250, if not 300. That's all I've got for you. I try to keep it short and sweet and to the point and just try to be as helpful as I can. As a very quick recap, you want 2,000 words on this homepage with keywords inside the content. You're going to want to have, I would just copy the backlinks they have, because if it ranks for them, it'll rank for you too. And then I would put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Ewing Air Conditioning. And if you just follow these 3 tips, that's how you're going to be number 1 across all of Google. So if you're wondering what you do now, you can take this information, you can apply this yourself, and you can rank yourself to the top of Google. And I hope you do that. My goal is just to educate as many small business owners and help as many people as I can. If you want someone else to do this for you, you really don't want to take the time to do it, you can always give me a call. My phone number is right here on the video, and I can also, or you can give me a call. I can give you a chat, or I can have a chat with you about your goals and stuff like that. If I can help you, I'll help you out. If I can't, I'll guide you in the right direction. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you very much. Bye.